What is the difference between high and low cheekbones? Also, high cheekbones are either directly below the eye or near the upper part of the nose. On the other hand, low cheekbones are more towards the base of the nose, and for some people, they might even be beneath the nose. What nationality has high cheekbones? The presence of accentuated cheekbones is a beauty trait in many cultures as they form a symmetrical and lifted facial shape. But S shapes do vary. High cheekbones is a trait for people of Central and Eastern Europe. Asian women do show wider mandibles. Are hollow cheeks attractive? Many people desire hollow cheeks because they find they look attractive. Hollow cheeks refer to the sunken appearance of having little fat in the area between your cheekbones and jawbone. Keep in mind that there's no health advantage to having hollowed cheeks, and many people think plumper cheeks are beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.